good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself. My name is Carola Basuki as a faculty member in BINUS Entrepreneurship Center, BINUS University. I'm the first author who represent other authors' name, Kairani Putri Pratiwi, as a faculty member in BINUS Entrepreneurship Center, BINUS University, and the students from Computer Engineering Department, BINUS University, Frederico Goodwin Pratama Dewat Manueta, Kenny Cristiano Alvarez, Nathanael Panduwinarta, Nicholas Oliver Marvin, Susetya to present a paper with the title IoT-based Hydro MX Self-Watering Plant, a design thinking approach and business model analysis in the 7th International Conference on Eco-Engineering Development 2023 Virtual Conference, Jakarta, 8 November 2023. In the outline, first, for introduction, the challenge of efficient water management, the use of IoT as energy management solution in water management. Second, design thinking for design thinking process. The third, methods for research framework and methodology. Fourth, result and discussion will be discussed about prototyping smart watering plant and business model analysis. And the last but not least, conclusion for the benefits of using design thinking and business model analysis. Introduction. The Internet of Things has become a potent force, transforming how we engage with the technology. In the heart of Southeast Asia like Indonesia, a sprawling archipelago that has borne witness to a remarkable surge in IoT adoption. The ascent of IoT in Indonesia is propelled by two pivotal drivers: the proliferation of smart homes and the ubiquity of smartphones. The number of smartphones in Indonesia continues its meteoric rise. The symbiotic relationship between smartphone and IoT is fueling the growth of the both ecosystem, creating a fertile background for innovation and transformative change. This study explored a unique fusion of technology and nature, the self-watering plant system as a novel and practical contribution to advancing SDG 6. The concept of self-watering plant system revolves around automating the irrigation process to ensure that the plant receive the just right amount of water they need. Minimize waste while promoting healthy growth. This not only save water but also encourage responsible water use at grassroots level. This paper delves into the development of the Hydro MX self-watering plant, an innovative IoT-enabled solution. It employs design thinking approach to address this challenge and explore its business model with the dynamic IoT ecosystem. This is the design thinking. Design thinking approach in IoT system prototype development divided into 5 phases. Phase 1 is empathize, phase 2 is divine, phase 3 is ideate, phase 4 prototype, phase 5 for testing. For design thinking in business model for IoT development, the business model typically defines how companies generate revenue and make a profit through the overall structures of process, customer, suppliers, channel, resources, and capabilities. This develop IoT business model based on the business model canvas framework. Methods. A quality approach to explore the multifaceted aspect of the IoT-based Hydro MX self-watering plant, employing in design thinking approach and conducting a throughout business model analysis. Data collection involves multiple qualitative techniques, including semi-structured interview with key stakeholders such as designer, engineering, and potential user. Conduct content analysis of relevant documents such as project reports, market research, and design documents. The analysis used in design thinking and some part of business model framework. Result and discussion. Design thinking process. Phase 1. Empathize. In this phase, a group of students see the problem that today's urban communities who have plants at home do not have time to water plants because of their busy life. In addition, because of the dense busyness, sometimes they also forget to water plants. Therefore, a group of students try to provide a solution for those who want to keep watering plants automatically without the need to water their plants manually. Phase 2. Divine. In this phase, a group of students begin to explore problems and what solution can be given to a group of people who will water plants. But they have a busy life. A group of people want information when plants have been watered, and they need reminders if they forget to water plants. With a minimalist space in watering plants, it is hoped that the plant sprinkle can be compatible with the room owned by the user. Phase 3. Ideate. In this phase, a group of students came up with the idea make the Hydro MX self-watering plant product. This product is an automatic plant watering tool combined with IoT control, where later user can be monitor if the plants have been watering or not. Watering plants will be carried out user a timer. Hydro MX is used for watering plants that are not too tall, such as ornamental plants, seedlings, and indoors. Hydro MX self-watering plants has featured soil moisture detector, reminder to customer that plants will be watered automatically. Water plants can be done automatically, software application that is user-friendly and easy to use. Watering time can be controlled. In phase 4, prototype. In this phase, a group of students carry out several steps carried out for the product development. The step as is step 1, sketch the product. In this step, the picture has begun to show where the upper pipe tools have a motor that can move automatically to water the plants. In this picture, the engine that turns on will move according to the instruction of the user who use smartphone to carry out the function of regulating watering plants. Step 2. Assemble the hardware. Assemble the base frame for the project using the half PVC pipes into a block shape and use the pipe PVC elbow connectors. Attach the tube to the 3D print linear slide part and glue. Step 3. Set up main code. This is the main code that used to develop our IoT project. In the code that a group of students have provided, it is the latest version. The libraries are all included in the platform.ini. A group of students code the program using Semaphore RTOS since there will be some programs that will be executed at the same time. Step 4. Fluttering application design. Here, a group of students have the mobile application developed by using Flutter. The code will be represented in the GitHub link below for reference. In the mobile application, they have the home page with view of mobile apps showing RTDB temperature, humidity, and soil moisturizer data. A group of students also designed a button that functions to send Boolean data to Firebase. If the Boolean value is true, then the system will start to run and water the plant. The temperature page, humidity page, and soil moisturizer sensor page all show RTDB temperature data, chart, and history of temperature, and lastly, there's page that show the time to water the plants automatically and the data is saved for Firebase. Step 5. Set up Firebase. In this step, a group of students would set up the Firebase for the RTDB and the Firestore. They configure the RTDB to fetch the real-time data for the sensor, then it's fetched and the Firestore is used historical data. Step 6. Flow chart. The flow chart refers to how a group of students try to make the step for diagram for the program. And step 7, block diagram. The block diagram refers to how the chip integrates with software and hardware and internet. Design thinking process for phase 5 test. In this phase, a group of students try to test their product in gallery of the university and distribute questionnaire to 9 people who became prospective users of the Hydro MX self-watering plant. Then a group of students summarized the result of the test from participants through feedback. In summary, a design thinking approach and throughout business model analysis can significantly benefit business into the IoT space by focusing on other user needs, iterating on product development, and aligning business model with the customer experience. Companies can create innovative, user-friendly, and sustainable IoT solution that meet market demands and drive profitability. This is especially important in the rapidly evolving field of IoT, where staging agile and customer focus in key long-term success. The Hydro self-watering plant exemplifies how a design thinking approach can lead for innovative IoT solution. Its business model reflects the evolving nature of IoT and the importance of collaboration with this ecosystem. Further research and refinement are needed to address the challenges and opportunities in the expanding field of IoT in Indonesia. Thank you.